Let's talk about the Trane XC95M furnace and see why it's one of the most reliable furnaces on the market. In this video, we will go over the features of the XC95M and talk about who would get the most benefit from this system. Hi, I'm Josh from Fire and Ice, and I've installed thousands of HVAC systems over the years. When we talk about the Trane XC95 furnace, we are talking about one of the best systems for reliability and efficiency. Now, I want to be upfront and say that we are recommending this product because we believe in it. However, there are similar options available, and we encourage you to see the comparisons on our website. So in this video, we're going to cover what are the features of the XC95M, what's the efficiency rating for the XC95M, how much does the XC95M cost, who's the right fit for this furnace, and then finally, we'll talk about what to do next. We hope by the end of this video, you'll know if the Trane XC95M furnace is right for you. So let's get started and let's talk about what are the features of the XC95M. The XC95M has a modulating gas valve that allows your gas to be ran from 40% up to 100%, and it will decide what is best for you based on your comfort settings. It also has an insulated blower compartment for very quiet operation. So another great feature of the XC95M is that it has a simplified 3-wire connection. Most homes have 4 or 5 wires existing and require at least 5 wires. This allows ease of installation and lowers any additional installation costs. Now let's talk about the communicating benefit of the furnace. It has communication technology. The user interface communicates and builds algorithms with the equipment to maximize the features and benefits that are available to offer the best level of comfort and efficiency in the home. Now let's talk about the efficiency rating for the XC95M. Furnaces are rated based on how much fuel they would use during a heating season. The XC95M has an efficiency rating of just over 97%. This is rated with an AFUE, which stands for Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency. For every dollar you spend on fuel, 97 cents is going to be used to heat the home, and 3 cents or less will be exhausted from the home from byproduct. Let's move on to how much does the XC95M cost? The typical cost of an XC95M furnace starts around $6,300. So what are some of the factors that could change the price? Well, it could be the size of the home, additional filters or indoor air quality products that you're looking for. It could even be the location where the furnace is actually installed, closet, basement. It all depends on any installation requirements needed that are additional to install the furnace. Now let's talk about who's the right fit for this furnace. The XC95 is great for homeowners with gas lines in the home, whether it's natural gas or propane. It is also great for homeowners who are looking to replace their full system, furnace and air conditioner, to maximize the benefits and features that are available with this system. Finally, let's talk about what to do next. If you want more information on the Trane XC95M furnace or other heating systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to making your day better.